Hello everyone, welcome to the Salesforce CPP Hour channel. Today we are going to discuss about some of Salesforce admin related assignments. So I have mentioned approx 10 use case that you would like to you guys have to complete on your Salesforce dev environment. If you guys have any questions or queries, you can just reach out to our channel program. I will happy to assist you. I will happy to answer all your questions regarding this. So let's discuss one by one these assignments and validations and the flow assignment. Here, my first assignment talk about the opportunity close one, send an email notification to the and class. So here, my first requirement is, let's suppose if I am closing an opportunity and marking as a stage to close one. So in this scenario, whenever opportunity got closed, I need to send an email notifications to my account. This is my first requirement. Moving to the second requirement, on lead, you guys have to create one field called date of birth. So we are date type. You need to create a validation rule. Let's suppose if you are on today's date, day minus date of birth date. If that date is less than 18 years, you will have to throw an error message. You will have to write a validation rule, giving an error message saying that if a particular age of the lead is less than 18 years, you are not eligible and that entry is wrong in our Salesforce. This is the second requirement related to validations. Now coming to the another requirement, which is third requirement. On close one opportunity, you will have to create a task. That task need to assign to the opportunity actually. So whenever opportunity stage is marked as close one, you will have to create a task and assign to a the task subject says ask for purchase order. The description says follow up with the customer. Period should be a today plus 7 day. And assigned to should be a opportunity owner. So whenever opportunity is closed one, you'll have to create a task with help of it. Moving to the fourth assignment, it says on opportunity, create a field called PO number, which should be a text type, text to 55, you can say. And PO date, which should be a date type. Here again, you will have to put a validation rule saying that if opportunity stage is closed one, so in this scenario, the PO number and PO date should not be left there. If somebody is changing the opportunity stage to close one, and if the PO number and PO date is blank, in this scenario, you will have to throw an error message saying that the PO number and PO date should not be left there. This is our fourth requirement. Now coming to the fifth requirement, you need to create again a one flow on contact. So let's suppose you'll have first what you have to do, you'll have to create a field called primary contact as a lookup field on account actually. So that lookup to an contact, it should be available on the account object. Create a checkbox on a contact name called primary as a checkbox. So this primary underscore C is a checkbox field. You need to create on a contact object. Now the requirement here is you'll have to write a flow on a contact. If somebody marking that primary underscore C as a checkbox checked, in this scenario, that primary contact has to be updated on a account lookup field called primary contact as a lookup field, as well as you'll have to make sure the all other primary contacts should be marked as unprimary. Means you'll have to mark that primary checkbox. Let me give you the very quick example here so that you can understand. Here, let me give you the example. So you have one customer name called HCL. Under HCL, you have John, you have Bob, and you have Alex. So you have John, Bob, and Alex. For these, for John and Bob and Alex, let's suppose I am marking this checkbox for John. The moment this primary checkbox is true for this John, the John should be available as a primary contact. We have a lookup called primary contact lookup on our HCL call. It will become a John. Now all these Alex and Bob should become a false here. If I'm marking Bob as a true, Bob will be primary and all other contact will be marked as primary. And this Bob will become a primary contact lookup should be true on, should be available on the HCL. So this is what you have to achieve on your in your fifth. Now you have to enable the multi-currency in Salesforce. Second, you will have to enable the opportunity contact rule on opportunities. The eighth assignment is related to again a flow. When opportunity is created, set opportunity currency ISO as a account currency ISO code. So let's suppose I have my SCL account which belongs to America region called US Eliminations. And that account currency is let's suppose US dollar. So whenever anyone is creating an opportunity, that currency ISO code for opportunity should be same as your now also create a record for opportunity contract role. The role should be a decision maker and the contact ID should be a account primary contact. So this is what you have to achieve. Assignment two tasks here. The first, the flow will automatically assign the currency ISO code which has currency ISO. And the second part is you will have to create a opportunity contact role record. This role record, the role you will have a decision maker and the contact will be your primary. So the primary contact is Bob. So that Bob will be automatically added to the opportunity contact role record under those opportunities. Now coming to the ninth assignment. Number nine is basically you'll have to create a object name called project associate with the tab. For this project, you'll have to create a field called start date and end date and description field. Also create a master detail with the opportunity. You have to create these fields on your project object. Now, what task you have to perform? Create a flow on opportunity, call opportunity stage date, stage is close one. Once opportunity is close one, you'll have to auto create a project record. Opportunity should be a record ID from opportunity. The start date should be a today, end date should be a today plus 30 days. The project name should be opportunity name and description should be opportunity. So you will have to create a flow whenever opportunity stage is closed on, create a project. Now coming to the ninth requirement, you'll have to create a lightning action button called this lightning action create record have a create of the project record. The project name should be auto default to the opportunity name. Note, add all fields to the layout. You have to add all the fields on the layout of project called start date, end date, description, and others. Also, as well as you will have, whenever you are creating a create project as a lightning action record button, that lightning action record button must have these fields. Start date, end date, project name. So this is the lightning action record button you will have to create. Now coming to the 10th requirement, which is last requirement. Create a lightning record page on for opportunity. You'll have to create a lightning record page for opportunity detail page. Create project button if opportunity is already have a related project record. What you have to do, you'll have to hide a create project button. If opportunity have your project record created, in this scenario, your create project button will not. This is the this you can achieve with help of lightning dynamic record action button. So there is a feature called dynamic action button. Dynamic action button will allow you to hide and show the button from the page level. So the criteria is whenever opportunity have that project record created, and if that project is available for the opportunity, you have to hide that create button, create project button. So this is all I have 10 requirement in my for my Salesforce admin assignment. Please go ahead and complete this assignment. If you guys have any questions or queries, please comment on my YouTube channel. Thanks for subscribing my